Every time you open a fresh ChatGPT chat, it forgets you. Your name, your grade, your project, your vibe, gone. Every chat is like meeting a really smart person with full amnesia. This episode fixes that permanently in about 10 minutes. 3 tools do the work: memory, projects, and custom instructions. By the end, you'll have a school project and a creative project. Each one knows what subjects you take, how you like answers formatted, and what kind of feedback hits for you. You stop repeating yourself. ChatGPT stops being a stranger. Custom instructions are 2 boxes that sit behind every single chat you ever start. Box 1. What should ChatGPT know about you? Box 2. How do you want ChatGPT to respond? Fill those in once. The whole tool becomes 30% better instantly. I'm not exaggerating. Memory is different. It's stuff ChatGPT picks up automatically during chats. Your favorite team, the book you're reading, the project you mentioned last week, and recalls it later. You can also tell it to remember something on purpose. Just say, "Remember that I'm writing a sci-fi novel called Argon," and it'll save that fact. View it and clear it anytime in settings. Projects are folders for ChatGPT conversations. Each project has its own custom instructions, its own files, and its own memory. You make a school project. Its instructions say, "You are my study coach. Explain like I'm in 7th grade. No walls of text." You make a creative project. Its instructions say, "You are my writing partner. Roast my drafts. Suggest one bolder choice." Every chat you start inside that folder inherits those rules. Game changer. Your turn. Make 2 projects right now. Project 1. School. Custom instructions. List your grade, your subjects, how you like answers, short paragraphs, examples, 1 clarifying question. Project 2. Creative. Custom instructions, what you make, stories, music, videos, the tone you want, encouraging, brutally honest, and 1 rule about format: markdown headings, bullet lists, plain prose, save both. Start 1 chat in each just to confirm the personality changed. Win. You open a fresh chat in your school project, and ChatGPT already knows your grade, your subjects, and stops giving you college-level walls of text. Fail. Your custom instructions read like a resume. Don't tell it your life story. Tell it what's useful for the answers you want. 3 sentences each is plenty. 3 takeaways. 1. Custom instructions live behind every chat. 2. Memory remembers facts. Projects remember the whole vibe. 3. Never type "I'm a 7th grader who likes manga" again. Set it once, use it forever. Next episode, things get serious. We build your first custom GPT. A full mini AI you design, you train, you share. Pretty incredible that you can do that in 15 minutes. See you there.